How to stop seeing random stories on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now navigate to profile icon at top left corner of your screen and then tap gear icon in top right corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down towards privacy control section and now tap see me in quick add. Uncheck the box that says Show me in quick ad to stop being suggested to random people. Come back, and now you need to simply go back to privacy control section where you have to tap on contact me. Now tap on say to friends only or simply friends. After that you need to simply tap on view my story and then tap on friends only. This ensures only your friends can contact you, reducing random interactions, and your friends will only be able to view your story. So, disabling quick add removes your profile from being suggested to strangers, and setting contacts me to friends only limits who can reach you to you or view your content. And after that, this will help you to stop seeing random stories on the Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.